This is elevator number 1 at the Cityside Apartments in Rosemary District, Sarasota, Florida. It's another Schindler 33 from 2015. I'm not going to go any more below 2 because that's where the desk is. But 4, here we go up. This is the only elevator here for the chime that's not the button beeps. That's the floor chime here at 4. Back down to 2. Certificate. The same basic gray cab. This one has the side elements, but not the back one. The other one has the back one, but not the side ones. That's weird. And the only NanoSeptic here is the alarm and a little bit of the phone. And a little bit of the door open here too. That's going to be it. That is a very slow closing door.